या तो तिरंगा लहरा कर आऊंगा या तो तिरंगा में लिपटा चला आऊंगा, पर आऊंगा जरूर. Which means either I'll come back hoisting the flag or I'll come back wrapped in it. But I'll come back for sure. It takes this level of courage and confidence at the war field to battle out the enemies single-handedly. These men of Indian Armed Forces always motivates us. Their passion towards the country makes us proud. The fight for Tiger Hills at Kargil is not just a war, but it is a challenge a rogue country like Pakistan put in front of India to decimate all ours what we have. But our armed force soldiers never gave them a chance. They took this hurdle, went to save our mother India. Today I'm going to talk about a warrior for whom this country is everything. And when I say everything, I mean it. Once a Pakistani officer told, "Why you came here, Sher Shah? You are not going to go back." And this man courageously replied, "Let us see who is going to capture the top of the hill within an hour." Yes, today I'm going to talk about our Paramveer captain Vikram Batra. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm K. Pravit Kumar. Welcome to PK's Talk. He accomplished what he said. Within an hour of time, he captured the point 5140 early morning on 20th of June 1999. Vikram Batra was born on 9th September 1974 at Palampur, Himachal Pradesh. His father and mother both are school teachers. His father J.L. Batra and his mother J. Kamal Batra. During his school days, he was proved to be an intelligent kid and he was a jolly personality with his friends. During his graduation, he decided to join the Indian Military Academy as he was very much fascinated on the armed forces since he was an NCC cadet. Captain Batra led his life as a saying that an army soldier lives his life by chance, loves by choice, and kills by profession. On a fine day, above 1700 above the sea level, a group of infiltrates with heavily armed captured the bunkers of Indian Army during the ceasefire agreement between India and Pakistan. This bunker of the point 4875 was very important for Indian Army, as from here the bunkers could dominate the road to Leh and they could easily capture the Mushkon Valley, and they could also make many casualties of Indian Army as they could see each and every moment of Indian Army from here. Vikram Batra, who belongs to 13 Jammu and Kashmir Rifles Battalion or Regiment, volunteered himself on recapturing of the point 4875, before which he had a similar experience on capturing the point 5140. In this capture of 5140, the team was divided into two, namely Alpha and Delta. Irrespective of the fact that the terrain was very dangerous and the terrain was very steep. As Vikram Batra is a go-getter, he volunteered himself for difficult assaults and ambush to capture the point 5140. Captain Batra was severely injured during this capture, but he never took rest. He fought continuously till the last soldier of the enemy fell down. Seeing the courage of his officer, his troop members led the war and captured the point 5140. and now it's the time to capture the point 4875, which already was in an intense operation with the lead of Lieutenant Navin Nagappa. Since he was fighting for 36 hours, he was severely injured as a grenade attacked him. From that position, he was evacuated and Captain Batra takes in charge and continues from the point where Lieutenant Navin left it. Not even giving a fraction of a second for the enemies to enjoy this casualty, Captain Batra and team started firing intensely. This was as much intense as they couldn't even leap out their head to fire against our Indian Army soldiers even a single bullet. This fire was very intense, and now from either side there is no fire for next 25 minutes. In this time, Captain Batra and his team headed towards the point 4875. Realizing this, the Pakistani soldiers started firing. And just imagine, this is the steep from which if a Pakistani soldier rolled out a big rock, the soldiers here will get crushed and no one will get their body. Now you can imagine how steep it will be. And climbing a mountain like this without food and a very little amount of water is unimaginable. But even when India was fighting one of Pakistani captain told that if India is willing to give Madhuri Dixit to them, they will leave the Tiger Hills forever. Captain Batra smiled and said, Madhuri ji is busy on her works. Take this behalf of her with love, and started to firing them intensely. Now the bunker was captured at the point 4875 with heavy casualty on the enemies. Our saving officer from that point 4875, Captain Batra, was severely injured as an artillery pierced his waist. But even then it didn't stop. He fought and made next 5 Pakistani soldiers to death, and he lost his life on 7th of July 1999. This great story, this courageous story of Captain Vikram Batra is still said for the new joining of the armed forces. Captain Vikram Batra is not only a soldier, he is a chapter of Indian Army. He is a courageous chapter of Indian Army. Even Captain Vikram Batra's interview is surfing all over the world. When we surf Captain Vikram Batra's interview which he gave to NDTV when he captured the point 5140, when the reporter asks, how is your feel when you capture this point? And Captain Vikram Batra smilingly says, Ye dil mange more, which means this heart wants this more. And even now, when we see that smile, we are very confident that our nation is being safeguarded by the bravest men of this country. And for them, we have to pay a salute. Captain Batra also had a family. He also had a love story. But he sacrificed everything only because of you and me. Each and every soldier sacrifices his life only because of you and me. If we are living here peacefully, one soldier is dying at the border. So I would like to end up this topic, and I would like to end up this video having a hope that whomever sees this video will not leave any other chance to share the valor, the courage of the finest fighter of Indian Army. Now I thank each and every soldier of Indian Army who lays his life at the border for the benefit of us. Thank you, Indian Army. Thank you guys for watching this video. जय हिंद।